Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just got home from Sacramento Valley Shooting Center shooting the last USPSA match with SOAP for the year. Did pretty good, had some good stages, had one no shoot, shot a lot of alphas. I need to be okay with more Charlies. Things went well though, so I had a good time finishing up the year here, last couple matches before New Year's. We're at 450 subscribers right now, so we're really close to that 500 subscriber giveaway. So let's make sure we're still sharing those videos, liking and subscribing. I really appreciate it. That way we can do that giveaway and move forward from there and give some more goodies away. So let's check it out and see how things went.